Okay guys, let's talk skilled worker visa or a UK work visa. I've been getting so many messages from you guys saying you need help, you want to go to the UK, you want to work, do I qualify, how do I get there? I'm so grateful, but let's break it down. What's important to note is that this visa is not granted to you in order to allow you to go to the UK to look for work. In fact, it's quite the opposite. You need to be sponsored by a company before you can go over to the UK and work for that specific company. But what's sponsorship? How does it work? How do I even start? I get it. I'm going to break it all down for you so you don't need to worry. Number one, you need to look for a job from an approved sponsor provider. What does that mean? This is basically a company that the Home Office has trusted to give out sponsorship to foreign employees. There is a list of these on the Home Office website. The job that you are looking for also needs to be listed on the Home Office's approved occupations for this visa. This is not a stringent list. It changes. There are going to be adaptations to it later in this month of April, so please keep an eye on that. There is also, really importantly, a minimum salaried requirement of the job that you need to be applying for. This amount is £38,700 an annum. So your salary needs to be equal to or more than that in order to qualify for this visa. There are exceptions to this income rule. You can message me if you want to know what they are. This has increased recently. It used to be less, so that's really important to know. Once you have gone and found a job on Indeed or LinkedIn or whatever UK work platform you wish, you will see the job posting. 1, recognize that it is on the approved occupation list. 2, recognize and look to see whether that employer who's posting the job is actually able to give you sponsorship or not. And 3, ensure that the money that you will be receiving for that job in forms of salary is going to be in excess of the £38,700. Once all of those things check all the boxes and you are granted the job, you will then be issued what is called a certificate of sponsorship or COS letter or COS. Once you've been granted your COS letter, you are now able to apply for your work visa. So there are a few steps that needs to happen. It's not as simple as we would all like it to be. I understand that. If this is something that you really want for yourself, it does take time and effort, but that's okay. At least you now have the resources to help your journey go forward a little bit. And there are some amazing projects coming in the future. People that I've spoken to who are trying to make this process easier for people going forward. I am so excited for what they're launching. I'm so excited for you to let you know what they're launching. And so watch the space. We will get there together.